The justice system is making sure that Thabo Besta's lawyers are having a hard time defending him, because right now they are trying to transfer him to eBongweni maximum prison, and that prison makes sure that people stay inside. There's no escape since it was built in the early 2000s. So the lawyers are arguing that them having to travel from Pretoria to Kokstad to defend Thabo Bester will be very hard, making it very hard for them to actually attend their next court date. So that's the argument they have, which is not a good enough argument. This guy has escaped from prison already. So the government needs to make sure that he stays in prison for as long as possible. But anyways, here are the lawyers trying to defend him.
Respondent, the correctional service, move him to eBongweni Supermax. It then cripples our case because we are completely failing to consult. So why then did we have such truncated times in our agency? I am answering the question. It's because, my lady, we are in the middle of trial preparation. Even though it is not effective consultation.
At this point, it doesn't really matter where Thabo Bester goes as long as he cannot escape, even if it means they have to transfer him to Robben Island. That would be a better place, because Robben Island is an ocean. Even if you do escape, there's nowhere to go. Which, by the way, a prison's location is very important. And Kokstad is in the middle of nowhere. Like, there are no town, cities. Even the town of Kokstad is not even that big. And that has a psychological implication on prisoners. When you're a prisoner, thinking that even if you escape, there's no way to go, it has a psychological way of making you stay. You don't even think of escaping. Just the hope that there's no escape. Make sure that the prisoners stay intact, and people like Thabo Bester deserve that kind of psychology, because, man, like, this guy's ruthless and we already know about it. So even the lawyers, they can argue day and night, this guy is going to eBongweni maximum prison.
Myself, we are based in Pretoria. To eBongweni Kokstad, it will be quite cumbersome financially, energy-wise, and otherwise. So we are raising these issues to say we have a trial that we are in. And already in that trial, we have been reprimanded by the presiding officer, the judge in Bloemfontein, that Thabo Bester's team seem to be wasting time, not wanting the matter to sit down because of some